Alright, so here I have one of the worst drawers in my kitchen currently. I've been organizing a lot of my storage units here and cupboards, and this is definitely the worst one. I know where everything is and it's been working for me, but it's a little disorganized. So right now I'm gonna take you to a journey where I'll be organizing this mess the best way possible. Alright, so this is an update, and here I have organized this. I didn't realize they could perfectly fit in clothes, and I had them all over the place. Now I actually can reach out to them and they're standing upright so I can see what I have right away. This is amazing. I'm so happy it worked out. I have all my bowls because I use this. I decided while I was organizing to put what I use this mostly for first. So when you take everything out, put what you're gonna use mostly here back first. So this is like kind of everyday things I know that I use on non-stop. And here I have organized literally my baking stuff for cookies and stuff I need for decorating. So I actually cleared up some space right here, and I'm going to put extras right over here for the baking, make it a baking aisle kind of thing. I have literally extras here, there, but now this place is actually pretty empty. This is so exciting for me because this I did not even plan to organize as much as I did, because I'm like it worked out because I knew where everything is, but it was just super inconvenient. But now I'm gonna leave. I'm not gonna pack it up full. I'm gonna leave it as is because sometimes I need to reach out and, let's say, grab this bowl, so it'll be super easy because I'll have extra space, to move them around. So to me, that's excellent. So I guess now it's full. But yes, this is the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed it and see some tips and enjoy this before and after. So this is the before, crazy messy drawer, and this is the after. I'm so happy with it, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow me for more videos, because I make videos every Friday at 1 p.m. Pacific time. I'll see you next video. Bye.